I want to tell you something about my cat Mika. My cat, so that you can know that my cat it understands me, or it understands the assignment. I want to sing one song with my cat Mika. When I will start singing, it will look at me. Oh, well, Lucy, what is Lucy doing? Lucy anaimba nini? It will be like this. After, when I will start saying, I'm a winner man, oh, my cat will understand. Oh, Lucy is a winner man. Hey, oh, Lucy, my Lucy is a winner man. It will start sleeping like this on its back, showing happiness that Lucy is a winner man. Hey, you want to prove? Can you see?
God of vengeance has won my battle for me.
I love it face.
God of miracle has won my battle for me.
If you're watching, see, I'm a winner man. I'm a winner man. He has won my battle for me.
I'm a winner man.
Say,
I'm a winner man.
yeah.
He has won my battle for me.
Listen face.